What's up, everybody? Everyday Angler here. Today I'm meeting up with my buddies Brandon and Max. We're in Tennessee fishing a mountain river, hoping to get on some bass. We're about to put the boat in, so let's go.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covers.
Alright, what are we doing today? What are we doing, bro? You're on camera.
See if we can't get into some bass. Looking for stripes, but I don't know. See what happens.
Yeah.
So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Oh, my.
It's a nice house, but they just fixed it up and
Grab one. Oh, I'm on the cooler, aren't I? Hang on.
yeah. Hot seat. Yeah. Come out that absolutely wrecked that I thought was gonna be done was an indicator with a damn crawler.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh
yeah.
my god! Have you seen those big popping fly things?
Oh, yeah. They're like the floating fly.
Yeah.
I think I got a fish. Yep. It's a little smallie. Little baby. Ooh. He's chunky though.
Pretty fish. Oh, my bad. Sorry, I was dropping
You're
that.
good. Oh, he spit it out and everything.
Hell yeah. Let's see that video. Where'd I set my camera?
Right there. Look, they're eating, dude. You see that belly on him?
That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, it is.
It's almost one of those mean mouths, man.
I don't know. He got
Man,
that.
that is a beautiful fish.
First fish of the day. That's a good sign.
What'd you catch it on?
A little pink zonker.
Hell yeah.
Going with the articulated peanut.
The skunk is out of the boat. That feels good.
Hello. Now I want to switch flies now. We got something bigger. That was a gar.
What was behind it?
A gar.
Gauze?
Yeah. I wouldn't be opposed to catching one though. We just need to start spin fishing again.
Is there like a certain time hit to where it's back?
I tried to do all that shit and now I don't. I just,
Trying to play the algorithm?
yeah, I just release it whenever. Because the stupidest shit will hit.
Well, see, that's like when I was in marketing.
Like, get a ton of views. Like, when I first started, all I did was bait fish. Like, I thought I was going to have a catfishing channel.
Yeah, I've seen that. I went and scrolled through all your damn
I did
videos.
I went to Walmart and I bought like 2 of those super cheap catfish baits.
Yeah.
And I did a video where I'm like, which one's better? I caught one channel catfish the whole video. And it was like the stinky shad or just that like bloody Play-Doh shit.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, that shit literally has like 100,000 views.
It's crazy, ain't it?
And if I was an actual YouTuber, I would literally do just a ton of those videos.
Yeah, the hit.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But I'd rather just do what I want to do.
Well, that's like, I learned, well...
Take my eyes open to force you.
Dark day, dark fly. We'll see. Did you see that shit? That was like a perfect
Thread in the needle. Oh fuck.
I don't know, I just heard don't even try to fish or hunting there.
Man, I hunted from when I was a little kid up until just a couple of years ago. I haven't touched a damn deer rifle or a bow.
I got a bow and I got my AR-15 set up.
Oh yeah. Damn, that's a pretty house right there. What bow did you get?
I actually traded Blake 4 sets of tires or a set of tires for a it's a PSE or something like that.
Fish?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, it is a fish.
Oh shit. Hey, that's a good fish.
It's a striper, dude. It's a striper. It's a striper. It's a good size striper.
Fight him with the boat. Keep that rod put down. Holy shit, dude.
It's either a striper or a massive white bass. I got 10-pound line, so I gotta let him.
Back paddle. Take after him a little bit. Keep him out of his trees. Go in the middle of the river if you can. You need to get some of that line in if you can on the reel. Don't worry that there's a tree in the middle of the goddamn river. Keep push on the fish. I'll keep you. Oh no. Oh, you still got pressure. Yeah. Keep on it. Once he sees the boat, he's gonna leave the fucking line. Holy shit, dude. Oh shit, this is what we was out here for. Keep that cowling. Don't, no, sorry. You know, we just can't, we don't want him, you know, keep the boat in the middle of the water if we can. We don't want him.
There he goes, there he goes.
Oh shit, he hit that bank over there, didn't he?
I don't think he really knows what's up yet.
Stay on him. As long as he don't run in that tree right there in the middle of the damn river. Back paddle, back paddle. Where's he at? He's straight
right
under
here.
the fucking
Yep.
boat. Wear him out. Come on, stay out of those trees. So keep back paddle.
He's running downstream now.
Yeah, if you can. Just steer him with the boat. Keep going back paddle. Go to that far edge.
I got a 10-pound. It's 20 to 10, so yeah, go to the far end. I did not want him get in that tree. I gotta stop his ass. I gotta put some pressure on him.
Is that or a big catfish?
No, I saw it.
Oh, did you?
It's a stripe.
Yeah, holy shit.
It's a good one, dude.
You just keep fighting. We're good where we're at. We're good. Just let him tire himself out. I gotta get us back toward the middle of the river now. We're fighting with the boat. We're fighting with the boat. Everybody stay chilly. We're good, man. We're calm. We're good. Can you choke it right there? Fuck. Oh shit, Julio.
I think I can bring him up, Max.
Oh god,
I'm
dude.
down here with him.
Holy shit, dude. That's a 20-pounder.
He's going under the boat. Watch this.
Yep. I'm keeping him. I'm keeping him middle.
Bring him to me, Julio.
Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, dude.
Turn the boat if you
He's
can.
in the net.
Yes!
Damn!
Hell yeah, buddy! That's a chunky one, dude.
Throw out here and drop the anchor.
Holy shit. It's got a leech on it. You see it?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my gosh, finally, dude. That's my first striper on the fly right there.
Hot, dude.
God, you didn't even set the hook. He just ran pliers.
He swallowed it, huh? I got some.
I was that got long hand Venus back.
Put some pliers in mine if you can get him out.
We're dropping that.
You think you can do it with that? Right, I want some good pictures of me.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. Holy shit.
First striper on the fly. Golly. Oh, that's a good one, dude. Gonna release them now. Oh dang, they are strong, dude. Want a picture of that, Brandon?
Yes.
Hurry up, because he's gonna kick any moment.
Alright.
Come on, buddy. There he goes. Come on. There he goes. Oh. Well, he said, "Is that a fish?" I was like, "No." And then I was like, wait, that is a fish. And then I seen him flash. But yeah, he inhaled it. I did not. Like,
that was all the way down his gills.
Yeah.
I just touched it and it came out.
You got it out good though.
No.
He wasn't bleeding or nothing. Yeah, I got a black fly on. I got another one if you want one. I'm still shaking a little bit.
Man,
No, my legs are weak.
fish like that, I mean, you know what I mean? Rain, piss on rain, all that. I got something for you.
Here, dude. Yeah,
That's well deserved right there. You have the tip out of that.
All right, everybody, I'm back at the ramp. I'm still a little shaky, honestly. That's my first striper on the fly. Epic moment. One of the only fish of the day. Just thankful I had Max and Brandon with me. Brandon rode us out throughout the fight, and obviously Max netted it. Just epic. Nothing much else to say. The fly was black. I mean, we were fishing muddy, stained water. That's the only real reason. I don't know. I thought it was a snag, and I came tight to it, and my first reaction was kind of try to pull my snag out, and I felt, you know, obviously a little head shake, and it was on. So, like I said, I'm still a little shaken up. That was epic. Definitely see why these people like go out and chase these fish, even if some of these days are zero fish days. At least for me, every time I've gone, it's been a zero fish day. So, just epic. Great way to come back on this river, and first striper on the fly. So thank you for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you guys next time on another episode of The Everyday Angler.
I live inside my